Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I just restocked my makeup drawer with my favorite loose powder. This is the Coty Airspun loose face powder, and I absolutely love this and always have to have it on hand. And I was really excited to find a 2-pack available. So this stuff is awesome because it is the perfect setting powder. I have oily skin and I do like to wear foundation, and I always feel like my face is just so shiny and so oily, and I need something to help reduce that shine and also to keep my makeup in place. So this stuff is amazing because it does both of those things. It reduces shine and it keeps my makeup looking fresh all day long, which is amazing. So when you put this on, it does come with a little puff applicator, which is fun and kind of reminds me of old school makeup. You can also use a brush if you prefer. And when you put it on, it just goes on so light, and it is called Airspun, and it really is light like air. It is just super fresh feeling and just keeps your makeup looking and feeling great all day. So it goes on very smooth. It's so comfortable to wear. I absolutely love it and always keep it in my drawer, and I think you're gonna love it too. That's my point of view.